Hello guys, my name is Rajdeep Kaur and my student ID is 30379683. In this lab task, I performed various activities for purchasing order. First of all, to show display purchase order, my purchasing document items is choose. Our task was to display a purchase order for 60 of road helmets and 150 road helmets from vendor Olympic Protective Gear. This purchase order was created by the group North America for the purchasing organization GBI. For doing all this work, firstly we opened my purchasing document items and press F4 key in the supplier field and enter all the Olympic protective gear in the supplying name field and press go and select the supplier 101999 from the item line and then I press the OK and then in a plant I enter MIOO in a new tab. Then I choose go and click on purchase order items and choose the tab purchase orders. Here is the overall result of this task. In the second activity, display goods received for purchase order, I use material document overview app. Here I follow all the steps that are given in our lab task and the resultant of this app is here. Actually, this screen is showing the current status for the purchase process from the material document 5000 and so on. In the third activity, we have to display invoice overview from the vendor. For this, I use my purchasing document items again and press in the field supplier F4 key and enter 101999 in the supplier ID and choose go. Here I select the line of Olympic protective gear. We can see here and choose OK here and the resultant tab is here. In this overview, we can see the ordered and the delivered quantity, the order value as well as the status of each line item. And then we double clicked on the supplier invoice and here the new tab is open and we get all the relevant information from here. Now then we performed fourth activity, that was display payment to vendor. For this we use manage journal entries app. Through this process the vendor account detailed by the invoice receipt is cleared. Here we enter company code, Global Bike Incorporation, posting date from 29 May 2016 to posting date and the document number and choose go here. This screen is showing the journal entry. Here we can see the posting that originated from the clearing of the vendor account through the payment to the vendor. And our fifth activity is to display supplier line items and corresponding balance of the supplier Olympic protective gear. For this, I use manage supplier line items app. Firstly, I click on the supplier field and enter all the relevant data here, like search a term, supplier name, and then click on go. Here in the resultant tab, we can see that all postings for the vendor are balanced. Here we click on the document number 51056000101 and here these are all the activities that are performed. Thank you.